Hello and a warm welcome from the English West Midlands. We find ourselves at Molineux. I'm Derek Ray, in position to bring you live match commentary. And my expert analyst, as always on these occasions, is Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers taking on Manchester United.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Number 37, Adama Traore. And number 10, Daniel.
And here's the Wolves lineup. João Moutinho plays alongside Ruben Neves in the centre of midfield. And leading the line today is Diego Costa. And here's the lineup for Manchester United. David De Gea between the posts. Bruno Fernandes plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the focal point in attack today, Marcus Rashford.
Thank you, Molineux Stadium. Enjoy the game.
And now they get the ball rolling. Diego Costa. It's with Ruben Neves. Just the challenge that was required. Anthony. Christian Eriksen now. Bruno Fernandes. Eriksen. Well, it doesn't make great reading for our hosts. Just look at this. It's the weakest attack in the league, and that's official.
Well, I'm not surprised by their lack of goals. Their approach play is far too predictable. It lacks invention and guile, which makes it almost impossible for the forwards to find space. And I can't see that changing today.
Podence. It's with Moutinho. Ruben Neves. And he's gone for power, so close to finding the net. Eriksen. Anthony. He has teammates around him. Eriksen. Dalot. And he favours the inside route. And read the danger magnificently.
Well, if he gets this wrong, a penalty and a sending off, but he was spot on with his challenge.
He continues his run. Will he play it in? Well, he stopped them in their tracks. In possession to give them the lead, maybe. And a goal! Now they have their opener, and now they can celebrate.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, but there's still plenty for him to do. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he's just able to keep him at bay and finishes with aplomb. It's a great goal.
And Wolves get us moving again. Certainly a swift response required after the setback.
That's Phil Jones. Please contact your nearest steward. Thank you.
Diogo Dalot. Now Casemiro. Bruno Fernandes. Shaw. Bruno Fernandes has it. Well, a good tackle. Eriksen. It's a fine United move in the making. Opportunity to deliver the cross. And maybe Rashford. No hiding from the fact that they really should have extended their lead.
Well, that was a poor miss. Could they come to regret that?
Being pressed and pressed high. And intercepted there. Oh, surely! And the keeper more than equal to the task. It's a short corner. Sancho. Casemiro. And fine goalkeeping. Who's going to get on the end of it? Oh, fantastic effort. He made great contact, but the keeper more than equal to it. Favouring the short one. Sancho. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Well, they seem to be onto something positive, but it faded away.
Well, as you can see, United have dominated possession in the last 15 minutes. And their attacking play has been excellent. Surely only a matter of time before they extend their lead here.
Yes, it might be on for them once more. Bruno Fernandes. Well, they must exercise caution standing off as they are. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Diego Costa. And there it is, the referee's whistle. We've reached the halfway point here at Molineux. The second half underway, United with the advantage, but no room for complacency. Mateus Nunes. In possession, Adama. It's a good Wolves move in the making. Neves. Determined defending. Can they hit on the break? They need to get bodies back. Rashford. And using his body to good effect. Eriksen! It's in! They're looking really relaxed and confident. And not giving the opposition much of a look in.
Well, here it is again. He hits this so sweetly, doesn't he? That's a brilliant goal from a top-class player.
Goal for Manchester
So underway
United.
once more, 2-0 the lead here.
Christian Eriksen.
Podence. And a decent position for Wolves to be in. But the danger averted for now. Lisandro Martinez. Christian Eriksen now. Hanging on to the ball in this fashion suits them. So a half an hour remaining. He's showing a real will to win the ball. Gonzalo Guedes. Now sliding in field. Well, it might still work out for them. And problem solved for now.
Well, what a magnificent save that was. It really was top-class goalkeeping.
Well, in possession now and looking to create something of their own. Well, slightly off target, and that'll be a throw-in. Eriksen. Can they trouble the opposition this time? A fine reading of the situation. There's 20 minutes remaining now. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Oh, a vital interception.
Well, there it is. United have had most of the ball. Yes, they've played well when going forward, but it's been their ability to regain the ball which has made them so hard to play against here, and it makes them such a good team. It's been a brilliant performance so far.
Patient enough build-up. Can they carve out a chance? Well, there to intercept. Eriksen. Encouraging stuff from United, but quick thinking defensively. Sancho. On to Bruno Fernandes. And gobbled up with ease. By the keeper. Almost at full time, and I'll tell you what, playing away from their home patch has been a pleasant experience for them, Stuart.
Well, they've been much the better side up to now. Some of their approach play has been excellent. They just need to control possession for these final few minutes to cap off a really good display.
Here's a change for Manchester United. Well, not the pass he had in mind. Lisandro Martinez. And here is Malacia. Rashford. Rafael Varane. Christian Eriksen now. And a timely intervention. He's enjoying space. Wonderful chance. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Who can he pick out? Well, as a defender, that will sit you down to the ground. And that is that for this game anyway, and Wolves not taking anything at all from the match. How did you see it?
Well, their main problem has been scoring goals, but they were really poor defensively today. They were caught too square, they made too many bad decisions when squeezing up, and I thought they lacked spirit. That was a really worrying performance.
And the match is underway.